Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate or delete or remove art accounts on Facebook. So if it's the first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and if you want to see videos like this, make sure you hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your Facebook account. That's your Facebook page. Once you're there, you simply click on what Mega Business Switch. So after which, once you're there, you simply click on what? Settings. So after that, you simply need to click on Ads Account. So here you are going to find all your various ad accounts which have been managed by your Facebook account. So you simply need to click on the ad account in which you want to delete or remove or deactivate. So after which, you simply click on these three dots here. So after that, you click on deactivate ads account. So guys, after that, you simply need to click on what? Deactivate ads account. But I don't want to deactivate my ad account. So after that, if you want to delete your ad account, you simply need to what? To delete the Facebook page managing that ads account. If you want to delete the ads account, you can only deactivate or remove the ads account from that Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.